Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson V8. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson V8 doesn't last long enough, you're not alone. Many users experience this issue over time, often due to battery wear and tear. If left unresolved, your vacuum cleaner could become increasingly unreliable, making cleaning a frustrating task. To get started, you will need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a replacement battery compatible with the Dyson V8, and a pair of safety gloves. First, ensure your Dyson V8 is switched off and unplugged. Begin by removing the dust container by pressing the release button. Next, locate the screws securing the main body of the vacuum. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew these, keeping them in a safe place. Once all screws are removed, gently pull apart the casing. Be cautious as you do this to avoid damaging any clips. Inside, you will see the battery compartment, which is usually located near the bottom of the device. The battery is held in place by a couple of screws. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove these as well. Once the screws are out, gently disconnect the battery cable by pulling on the connector, being careful not to tug too hard to avoid damaging the wiring. Now, you can extract the old battery from its compartment. Take your new replacement battery and connect it to the cable, ensuring that it clicks securely into place. After securing the new battery, replace the screws that hold it in place. As you do this, remember not to over-tighten them, as this could strip the screws or damage the battery. Now, it's time to reassemble the casing. Align the pieces carefully and press them together. Replace all the screws you removed earlier, ensuring everything is snug but not overly tight. Once all the screws are in place, reattach the dust container. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from happening again, try to keep your Dyson V8 charged regularly and avoid letting the battery completely drain. Additionally, ensure that you clean the dust container and filters frequently to maintain optimal performance. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.